Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Girl water bottles is probably one of the most essential items for keeping your little ones hydrated throughout the day, whether they're at school, playing sports, or just enjoying outdoor adventures, and choosing the right one can make a huge difference in ensuring they drink enough water and stay healthy and energized. So let's dive into finding the perfect bottle that combines style, durability, and functionality for your child. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly unicorn gems, vibrant stickers, and cute accessories, you can easily peel, stick, and decorate. Then, add the wristlet and charms to make it uniquely yours. This magical craft kit comes with everything needed for a fantastic crafting session. You'll find a durable aluminum water bottle, fun unicorn charms, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn enthusiast with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a gift you'll be proud of. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is simple for little hands to use, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like. This bottle is all about creativity and personalization. If you have a child who loves arts and crafts and wants a unique accessory, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for girls who enjoy expressing themselves and want a bottle they decorated themselves. What people say. The bottle is made of durable, BPA-free plastic. It features a leak-proof lid with a flip-top spout for easy drinking. The design is ergonomic and fits well in kids' hands and most cup holders. Number 4. Contigo Kids AUTOSPOUT Straw Water Bottle, 14 ounces, Mermaids. Introducing the Contigo Kids Straw Water Bottle in a fun mermaid design. It's perfect for your little ones, holding up to 14 ounces of their favorite drink. Kids can easily enjoy a drink with just one hand, thanks to the convenient push-button operation. It's designed for children aged 3 and up. The innovative AUTOSPOUT lid features a pop-up straw with a spill-proof valve. This ensures no leaks or spills, even when the spout is open. Cleaning is a breeze with the Easy Clean lid, designed to prevent dirt and grime buildup. Plus, the BPA-free plastic body and lid are top-rack dishwasher safe. The straw is simple to take apart for a thorough clean, yet it stays attached so no parts get lost. Keeping it hygienic has never been easier. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, this bottle ensures safe hydration for your child. It's built to last through all their adventures. What we like. For busy parents and active kids, this bottle offers ultimate convenience. If you're looking for a bottle that minimizes messes and allows for easy drinking on the go, this is your best bet. It's perfect for toddlers and young children who are learning to drink independently. What people say. The spout opens smoothly, even for little hands, and the leak-proof design really works. No spills in backpacks or car seats so far. Cleaning is simple, all the parts come apart easily, and they've gone through the dishwasher multiple times without any issues. The spill-proof lid is an absolute game-changer, keeping your little one's drink securely contained, even during the wildest adventures. Number 3. CamelBak Eddy Plus Kids Water Bottle. Introducing the CamelBak Eddy Plus Kids Water Bottle, designed for your little ones. It's made with Tritan Renew, a sustainable and durable material. The easy straw system is perfect for kids, allowing them to drink effortlessly. Just flip the bite valve and sip. Enjoy mess-free hydration with its leak-proof design when closed and spill-proof when open. No more worries about spills. It features a comfortable carry handle, making it simple for kids to take it wherever they go. Perfect for school, sports, or play. This bottle is lightweight yet durable, ensuring it can withstand daily use. It's built to last for all their adventures. Plus, it's odor and stain resistant, keeping it fresh and clean with minimal effort. Enjoy pure taste every time. What we like. Durability and ease of use are key here. If you need a bottle that can withstand daily wear and tear and is simple for kids to carry and use without spills, this is a fantastic option. It's great for active kids who are always on the move. What people say. The bottle is easy for my toddler to open and close. It doesn't leak, even when turned upside down. The design is cute and my daughter loves the characters on it. Number 2. CHILLOUT Life 17-ounce Kids Insulated Water Bottle. Introducing the CHILLOUT Life Insulated Water Bottle, designed for your drinks on the go. Our double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel bottle keeps cold drinks icy for up to 24 hours. It's BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring safety for everyone. Make it yours with our adorable bonus stickers. These high-quality waterproof vinyl stickers are perfect for personalizing your bottle, laptop, or anything else. They're a fun way to stand out from the crowd. Say goodbye to wet bags and nasty stains. Our bottle features an airtight and leak-proof design with an easy-to-use flip mouthpiece. Enjoy your favorite drink without spills, even when on the move. The non-slip silicone sleeve protects the base from scratches and dents, while also safeguarding your furniture. The lid, straw, and silicone base are easily removable for cleaning and are dishwasher safe. This thermal water bottle is a perfect gift for adults and kids alike, suitable for school, work, or athletic activities. It's a healthy and attractive alternative to plastic bottles, backed by our lifetime guarantee. What we like. This bottle is designed for those who prioritize keeping drinks at the perfect temperature. If you want cold drinks to stay icy for up to 24 hours or hot drinks to stay warm, this is the one. It's also great for kids who like to personalize their belongings with fun stickers. What people say. My toddler can easily drink from it, so far no major leaks. It came with stickers to personalize it, which he really liked. Fits his hands well, he can open and close it easily on his own. Keeps ice all day and has held up in the dishwasher with no chips or fading almost 6 months later. Kept water cold for a really long time. Very durable, it's been dropped dozens of times and still great condition. Number 1. 300 PCS Cute Vinyl Waterproof Stickers. Get a pack of 300 diverse and cute stickers, perfect for decorating your belongings. These waterproof stickers are designed to last and come in various sizes, ensuring no duplicates. Crafted from non-toxic vinyl, these stickers are safe, waterproof, and built to endure. Enjoy vivid, clear patterns that won't easily fade, thanks to high-precision printing. Unleash your creativity. Stick them on water bottles, skateboards, laptops, phones, guitars, and more. They're the perfect way to personalize your gear. Looking for a fun gift? These carefully selected vinyl stickers are an awesome choice for kids, teens, and girls. They're reusable and leave no residue behind. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or are not completely happy with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This product is for anyone who loves to customize and decorate. If you're looking for a massive variety of stickers to personalize multiple items, including water bottles, laptops, and more, this pack is ideal. It's perfect for kids and teens who enjoy a wide range of creative options. What people say. The bottle is easy for my daughter to open and close. It doesn't leak, even when thrown around. The design is cute and my daughter loves it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.